Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use silica gel cat litter. First, select a litter box that is comfortable for your feline friend, ensuring it's not too small. Next, fill the clean box with about 1.5 to 2 inches of silica gel crystals. This depth allows for proper absorption and odor control. Finally, position the litter box in a private, easily reachable spot where your cat feels secure. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transition to this type of litter. Daily maintenance is key to maximizing the effectiveness of silica gel litter. You should scoop out any solid waste at least once a day, disposing of it properly. After scooping, gently stir the remaining crystals. This action helps to evenly distribute any absorbed moisture, preventing saturation in one area and extending the litter's lifespan. Keep an eye on the crystal color. A yellowish tint often signals it's time for a change. Knowing when to replace the litter is simple. You'll notice the silica gel crystals change color, often turning a distinct yellow, and they may no longer absorb odors effectively. For a single cat, a full litter change is usually needed every 2 to 4 weeks. If you have multiple cats, you might need to change it more frequently, perhaps every 1 to 2 weeks. A strong ammonia smell or a dusty texture are also clear signs it's time for a fresh batch. Silica gel litter provides several advantages, including excellent odor control and significantly less dust than traditional clay litters. Its high absorbency means you'll perform full litter changes less often, saving you time and effort. To help your cat adjust, gradually mix a small amount of silica gel litter with their current litter over several days. This gentle introduction ensures a smooth transition, making it a positive experience for your feline companion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.